Hello, good morning, Mayong Aga. This is John of Art. We are going to start an Ilonggo or Hiligaynon series. First, what is Ilonggo or Hiligaynon? Well, let's not get into the more technical terms. They say that Hiligaynon is the dialect used by the people of Negros Island, while Ilonggo is the dialect that the people of Iloilo or Panay Island use. But as for me, there's really no difference, or just a slight difference between Ilonggo and Hiligaynon. As to the people outside of Negros and Panay, Ilonggo is just one and the same thing. So let's call it simply Ilonggo. So let's start with a simple greeting. There is no such word for hello in Ilonggo, so hello is acceptable. You say hello. The funny thing is, when you say hello, or probably the closest equivalent to hello would be oh, ah, oh, that's your hello in Ilonggo. Nah, it's probably just a sound, an expression of delight or surprise or an acknowledgement of the other person. So just say, oh, oh, ah. Now the Ilonggos are very courteous. They like being greeted good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So when you say good morning, you say maayong aga, maayong aga. Or you say it in a pleasant tone. Maayong aga, maayong aga. It means, maayo means good. Aga means morning. Maayong aga. Mayong aga. Mayong aga. Mayong aga lang da. Mayong aga. The Ilonggos are noted for their cariñosa tone of speaking. The manner of speaking is cariñosa or sweet. So you add sweetness. Add sweetness to how you say it. Maayong aga. So at another time of the day, like noontime or noon means ogto. 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 So you say maayong ogto. Hapon means afternoon, so you say maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon lang da. It means lang da means only there. Just a good afternoon. Maayong hapon lang da. Just a good afternoon to you there. Maayong hapon lang da. Maayong hapon lang da. Nighttime means gabi. Gabi. Gabi is night or evening. Gabi. So you say maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. It means good evening or good night. Maayong gabi lang da. Tagbalay, mayong gabi, mayong gabi. Maayong gabi, it's slurred to sound mayong gabi. So originally it's maayong gabi and slurred to sound mayong gabi. Mayong gabi, mayong gabi, mayong gabi. A bonus word would be tagbalay. Tagbalay means the owner of the house, or the one who lives in that house. Tagbalay. 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 Maayong aga. Maayong ogto. Maayong hapon. Maayong gabi da. Tagbalay. Tagbalay. So, calling on the house owner. This is Joan of Art. Thank you very much. Salamat. For more Ilonggo words that you would like to learn, just type in the comment section. And please like for more updates on our Ilonggo series. Maayong aga sa tanan. Good day to all of you.